Hi there, this is Becky from Nomadic Knits, and this video is going to show you how you make a long stitch. And a long stitch is a special stitch that we are using in the Knitmas in July knit along. So the long stitches in this particular pattern always happen on the wrong side. I have my stitch marker on the right side to help me keep track, but the long stitch is going to happen on the wrong side. So I am not following the pattern right now. I am just sort of freestyling to give you a good idea of what this long stitch is going to look like. They do come in clusters of 6 in the pattern. So we'll get started and I will show you how they work. The long stitch is defined as a purl, wrapping the yarn around the needle twice for each stitch. Because we're purling, our yarn needs to be in the front. So we insert our needle as if to purl, and we wrap our yarn around twice and pull the yarn off the needle. Wrap it twice, wrap it twice, and like I said, these are going to appear in clusters of 6. We're going to do 6 of these. If you've not done this style of stitch before, something that might be new to you is counting your stitches when there are double wraps like this. So as you can see, these first 2 stitches, it's just regular stitches coming out of there, but these purl bumps each have 2 wraps instead of 1. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which means we need 1 more to create that cluster of 6. So I'm going to wrap that around twice. I'm going to throw in a couple of purl stitches here, just plain old purl stitches. And then we're going to do 6 more of our long stitches. So we're just purling and wrapping twice instead of once. And you want to make an effort not to choke up on your yarn when you're doing this, because it can make it difficult to get it to slide across your needle. So again, if we're counting these, you can see that these are just regular purl stitches. The purl bump has 1 wrap coming out of the top. And this one you can see has 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which means that we need 1 more long stitch. And because this project has an I-cord edge, we are going to leave our yarn to the front here and slip these 3 stitches. And this is what it's going to look like on the front. You're going to have this short section of stockinette because we were purling on the wrong side for these stitches. And it's just going to help this little motif stand out a little bit more in your sea of garter stitch. I hope that helps. Happy knitting.